In this video, I am going to review another from Shaghaf line of Swiss Arabia, which is Shaghaf Oud Aswad. So Aswad means actually black. So it is meant for basically women, but I really love wearing this one. It is very light, has a lot of benzoin kind of oud. So I really like it. It is very lighter oud. It is wearable. So oud here in it is synthetic. It is not, I think, a real or actual oud. So it is not very heavy. It is light. It is related to a bit of this one, which is Shaghaf Oud. This one, white one, the Shaghaf Oud Aswad. So these are actually, you can say, brothers and sisters from Shaghaf series. This one is brother and this one is sister. So what I like about it, my wife, my daughter, myself, we all like this one. So my daughter actually liked this one first. My wife doesn't, it is not her favorite, but I think it is more wearable, it is more enjoyable. It is not irritating at all. If you are allergic to perfumes or things like that, you are going to enjoy this one. This is a very, you can say, benzoin has a very, you can say, uplifting kind of aromatic kind of effect, and it actually get a lot of, you can say, give you a calm effect. So this is the bottle over here. You can see Shaghaf Oud Aswad. Aswad means black, so it is means oud, black oud, but it doesn't have too much oud in it. It is a bit of kind of whenever you go to you can say mosques or sometimes shrines, or sometimes you can say in Arab country, these kind of smells you get a lot from different places. So this is that kind of smell. So it has some floral effect to it too. It has some benzoin, some white oud, which is, I already told you that it is synthetic oud, it is not real oud. So this is about this Shaghaf Oud Aswad. Aswad means black actually. So this is more feminine, but I really mix it with Oud Aswad, which is white oud from the Shaghaf series, and the effect is great. So if you are allergic to perfumes, if you have some, you can say, you get headaches from perfumes, this is a bit on the safe side. But before trying it out, make sure that you try to sample it from their website, Swiss Arabian website, because sampling is a must. Whenever you try perfumes, don't try to buy it from YouTube reviews. Never buy any perfume from YouTube reviews. Every nose is different, every head is different, every person have different allergies to different aroma chemicals. So there might be something in it which initiates a headache in your eyes or in your head or whatever you have. So this is a must have. So whenever you go to perfume store or anything, try to learn what is your perfume type. So you like oriental or spicy kind of floral scents, or you like very woody or very dark kind of scents, or you like very uplifting aromatic kind of florals. So this is a must. Whenever you buy any perfume, try to learn that, and then you will start your journey that these are the scents I should buy or I should try. So this is the review for Shaghaf Oud Aswad, and I hope you will try to buy the sample first from Swiss Arabian website. They are offering the samples for like $20 for a lot of different perfumes. Try them all and get the ones you like. Try to wear it for at least one day. One day, give 2 sprays at least and wear it for one day and see if it really suits you. Because I actually tried few perfumes, when I sprayed it next day, I didn't like it that much. So this is the review for Shaghaf Oud Aswad, sweeter benzoic kind of oud, white oud scent. And that is all about it. If try to like, subscribe this channel, share this video, and see you soon in another video with another scent or another concentrated perfume oil. Till then, take care and bye.